Hi, but for 9 players also joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko. For now, it be more joining, it be munyan joining, it be joining later. Kotoko so far officially communicated to the public say Oma sign it 3. And now Ansu Henry and Akalu Ayo medicals which are subjected to approval and everything and the confirmation never Omoko people so ewo Nsutamapon and ne which was Friday Omo joining team no. The rest of the players they are set to join. Michael Dramana, because of one or two reasons, or no, ne confirmation yamba by the confirmation. So Michael Dramana 1, Rahman Abdul, a player Tosumi 2, and Nana Benny confirmed. Nana Benny from Venopos Vipers, and it was confirmed by Kotoko. Yaya Dauni, defender Yaya Dauni was confirmed. And Samuel Asamoah na player na right back na owo Bofakwa United and I say Bofakwa Tano opposite omone Kotoko yes swap deal no and no is yet to be confirmed obeba and Kalu the C's player Kalu the medical pictures about bontin we joining team no training camp ewo Mampong in Suta Beposo and confirmation beto aso Henry Ansu confirmation beto aso Andrews Menu confirmation aba Andrews Menu confirmation eba and now which was Thursday and Emmanuel Ampia confirmation by because medicals ni nyoma no omunya complete confirmation inyamba mpacho. These are the 9 players: Michael Dramana, Rahman Abdul, Nana Benny, Yaya Dauni, Samuel Masamoah, Kalu Watara, Ansu, and Andrews Menu, then Emmanuel Ampia. Yes, these are the 9 players. They are set to be part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko setup. No, conversations, agreement, everything is completed. A paperwork near it. In the moving forward. No, the other club near be na Omabe but I'm told then there are going to be some few additions to this 9, but maximum 10 or 11 players and be added to Kotoko already squad because 11 seni ni 11 already a free into omunyina ye final replacement the number should revolve around which is 9 10 11 ne dodo omkra 12 players and be sabe ka Kumasi Asante Kotoko team already existing team no no. Now some information about Kotoko defender Mo Alhassan. If we are crowds of book the joining, Mobeka say or joining Kotoko 6 months ago, around February 2023. Now on report to I can confirm so our trauma club is a club then terminating the contract because when there are issues with the family and basically and the wife, some issues also resolve any other day. But club nature say on mama ne time on fan solve issues no back. But on only cut out their body or say nka yen terminate contract no man. But for now the contract is not terminated yet. And Kotoko so e ka chenze unya botre. Tembi opebi omo de be mano. Na o ma sort out differences. So on Mo Alhassan the no. Moving forward information be better for me. I be bro elfi ampacho. But I was say you are subscribed to this channel. Or your first time viewer, unsubscribe here. You can hit the red subscribe button. Now you do kasubu. But I was